Hey there, this is Gaurav. Welcome back with another video of the series Learn JavaScript from Scratch. I hope you're enjoying this series. So in this video, we will be talking about ECMAScript version. So without wasting any further time, let's jump right in. So first we have to understand the term ECMAScript. So in the last video we have discussed about JavaScript, right? So you might be thinking then how this new term like ECMAScript suddenly came into the picture. So if you are working in JavaScript or you will work in JavaScript, then you will often hear the term that is ES, like ES5, ES6, 7, 8 and so on. So these all are the different version of JavaScript. So what is that ES means? This ES is nothing but ECMAScript. E for ECMA is for script. So now we have to understand like how ECMAScript basically came, like how was ECMAScript born. So for that we have to understand a bit of history of JavaScript. In September 1995, a Netscape programmer called Brendan Eich, he has developed this language that is what we call JavaScript today in just 10 days. Can you imagine? Just 10 days. That time the original name was Mocha. It was not JavaScript. Then they renamed the name as LiveScript. So if you are a beginner who is attending this course, or I have seen many of us are thinking about the same thing, like is there any link or similarity between Java and JavaScript? I mean, Java, we know that is a different language, right? Because the name Java, that is tagged with JavaScript. This question is actually a good question, but Java has almost nothing to do with JavaScript. I mean, there is no link between Java and JavaScript. These two are different language. It was nothing but a marketing strategy. So if I talk about the time in 1995, that time Java was a very popular language. So it was nothing but a marketing strategy. That's why they given the name JavaScript, so that it will attract the developer, especially Java developer, so that they will learn the new language JavaScript. And that is how LiveScript became JavaScript. Okay, but we haven't talked about ECMAScript. Let's talk about that now. So after that, in 1997, this JavaScript, this new language, it was growing very fast. And due to this rapid growth, Netscape has decided to hand over the job of creating language specification to an organization. And here the organization is European Computer Manufacturers Association, or we can call ECMA. So that's how ECMA was born. Now in ECMAScript version in 1997, we got something called ECMAScript 1. It became the first version of JavaScript language standard. So after 1997, we got other version like ES2, 3, 4. And then in 2009, we got ES5, that is ECMAScript 5. It was released with lots of new features. And then in 2015, we got ES6 or ES 2015. And that was the biggest update to the language ever. And from that time, JavaScript started becoming a very popular language. So after that, in 2016, 17, 18, 19, almost in every year, we started getting other version like ES16, 17, 18 and so on. So if you know JavaScript language still ES5 version, then you can say like you know basic or core JavaScript concept. And this ES5 version, it is fully supported by all browser like old and modern browser. So first we will cover ES5 in this series, okay, where we will discuss about all the concept that is there in ES5. After that, ES6, ES7 and ES8, these three versions, these are fully supported by all modern browser but not by old browser, okay. But knowing ES5 will not be enough. So if you will appear for any interview, they will definitely ask you something after ES5. They will clearly mention, tell us some features of JavaScript after ES5 like ES6, 7 and so on. And in real life project, once you will working some project, there also you will be using the concept of ES6 and so on. But the underlying idea, the basic concept is same. So that's why first we will be focusing on ES5. Once that is done, then we will be talking about ES6 features, I mean ES5 plus features. Okay, then we have ES9, ES10, this together called ES Next or future version. Few features supported by modern browser. That's all for this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.